So it's been about 2 years since I actually tried to fix the problem with this Hauslane exhaust fan. It doesn't suck as it's advertised to. And whenever I cook, I always smell the smoke all throughout the house, and the smell and also the smoke. Because when they installed this, they didn't ensure a sealed attachment to the ducting. So a YouTuber recommended that I use a chopstick to stick it through the fan. He said it worked for him. It opened up the duct. So today I'm going to attempt the same instruction, and thanks to David the Tree. Okay, so I'm going to remove these. Oh, it looks like I need to clean these because it is about 2 years old. Not bad, not bad. I mean, I've been holding it off. So I have a chopstick right here. And let's see if we can reach through it. Let me go ahead and turn on a light air flash. I don't even know where the flap is. It should be like central. Here, that's better. I turned off the overhead light because it was reflecting off of my phone. So I'm just going to gradually work my way through it until I feel like I reach the flap. If I remember right, it should be directly above the duct box. By the way, I couldn't find I didn't have time, or I just got lazy. I didn't look to see how to open this duct box because my original idea was to open this up and then to reach my hand through here and apply the metallic aluminum tape to ensure a sealing. But I'm going to walk myself through here. So I couldn't feel anything, but let's go ahead and give it a try by turning it on. I feel a strong suction, but what about the outside flaps? Nope, it doesn't look like its flap is moving, so I'm going to have to give it another try. I found a better tool, this long, skinny knife, but I do want to caution that because this is well, first of all, you should probably remove the power, all right? Just is safety precaution. So I'm just gonna reach until I feel the ducting. And to have better access, you can also remove this cover by removing these screws. So here we go. Let's look through up there. See the ducting? I think that's it right there. The metallic one. I think I see it. You see this? This cover? See how that's moving? Yeah. So I think I have it open somewhat. Now I'm just going to test it. Oh, it definitely feels a lot stronger. Now let's go outside and see. Yeah, you see how that flap is open? So that means it worked. Now I'll wait until when I cook and see. So I also took this opportunity to clean the filters and wipe down some grease. Clean it back in should be very simple, just like that. Okay. Same thing for the other one. And then we're gonna have one final test. Now I'm gonna test and see with the covers back on if it's able to hold on to it, suck onto these styrofoam plates like it was advertised to do. I have it on full. Oh yeah, that's good suction right there. We already tested it out with smoke and the smell. Okay, so let me gradually decrease it. Okay. Alright, still good. I wonder if it's going to eventually drop though. Or even on the low. How about 1? Ah. Wow, I'm surprised. So this is how you provide a fix if the installers forget to use aluminum tape to close out the enclosure. This is one way of overcoming that issue. But of course, be careful when you do that. I'm just super ecstatic now that my exhaust fan is working as it's advertised to do. So now I definitely give a thumbs up to the Hauslane, and to all the people that's installing it, please make sure you use the aluminum tape that's provided to ensure a full coverage, to ensure airtightness for the benefit of the homeowner and also for your reputation, to ensure that the product you're installing works. All right.